Hello guys, my name is Julius Bento and this is my discussion video for the topic how software development approaches such as Agile and Waterfall can affect the effectiveness or can affect the outcome of a project. So this is going to be a very interactive discussion, and at the end of this discussion, if you have any questions or contributions, remember to put them down below in the comment section. All right, so let's get into it. So the beginning of this semester has been really interesting. I mean, looking at the discussions and topics that we've been dealing with from each and every one of you on online, and our great lecturer and the professor, and it's been amazing getting to learn about a whole lot of different kinds and different types of software development methodologies. But today we are just going to focus on Agile and Waterfall, like I said before. So in today's modern world, we can see that a lot of companies, a lot of corporations encourage their teams and members to use software development methodologies to help them to guide their project's life cycle. So this has so many reasons, okay? So these methodologies provide a structured and organized and systematic approach to software development. And usually when they use these kind of methodologies, it helps the teams to effectively manage and successfully organize their work, which leads to success in whatever project they undertake. Now, according to Badkar in 2023, he defined software development methodology as a framework for developing information systems, focusing on planning and organization. Now, why do organizations do this? They have so many reasons why they use SDMs in short. For example, one, they use it to manage risks. Two, they use that to it helps organizations in planning. Three, it helps them to it helps with summary. Now let's take a look at Agile as a software development methodology. One of the most common characteristics of Agile is the fact that it is very, very iterative, and also it is associated with increased adaptability to changes. So as the project progresses, Agile's software development methodology allows and is very, very able to adapt to whatever changes that comes through the project. So whatever new thing that comes, Agile is able to incorporate it and then move on. So as a result of that, it really enhances team collaborations, okay? And there is always faster delivery of incremental result. So there was this research, or let's say survey, done on Agile and how clients or customers perceive it, and funny enough, the Agile methodologies contribute to improved customer satisfaction and higher success rate. So a lot of customers love the way the Agile software methodology works, because of the fact that if you're working on a project and then let's say a customer suddenly has a change of mind and wants something different incorporated into the project, because of using an Agile, you'll be able to accept this new let's say these new changes and then incorporate it and still keep on doing whatever you are doing. Okay, so that is what makes Agile very, very suitable and very, very likable, because of the fact that it is adaptable, it is able to accept changes, and it's able to deliver on its target goals. All right, now on the other hand, let's look at Waterfall. Now, with Waterfall, it's sequential and linear structure, okay? And also it is characterized by very, very good planning and documentation process. So with Waterfall, they have a strict planning. They cross every T's and they dot every I's. With Waterfall, it is every time of the way, or every step of the way, is documented. Everything that goes on in the process is documented and well structured. So when you're looking for anything, you can easily find them where they are. Okay. So Waterfall is also very, very great. I mean, it all depends. The idea of choosing what kind of software development methodology to use totally depend, one, on your target group in terms of client, two, in terms of what kind of project you are undertaking, and three, also on what you are looking for as a project manager or as a person who is about to use software development methodology. So it all depends on who is using these systems and what you intend to achieve. According to Livery and Huisman 2007, they believe that the usage of systems development methodology, SDMs, is very versatile concept. It's a very, very versatile concept. And one of the reasons why they said that is that they think that SDMs are very, very ambiguous, and they are usually related to the term, its ambiguity is related to the term methodology. Now, they argue that The term methodology actually covers the totality of the system of system development approaches, such as the structured approach, information modeling approach, objective-oriented approach, socio-technical design approach, etc. Okay, so they believe that this process models such as the linear life cycle, prototyping, evolutionary development, and spiral models, specific methods, okay. So the choice between agile and waterfall can actually significantly impact a project outcome. Okay, projects with dynamic and evolving requirement may benefit from agile adaptability because, like I said before, it is able to accept changes. All right, fostering continuous improvement and customer involvement. So whatever the customer wants, if the customer thinks of something different at the latter part of the project, he or she can suggest it, and with agile you can incorporate that into it. Okay, now when you look at well-defined projects and stable requirements, then you may find waterfall structured approach the best because it is effective in ensuring comprehensive planning and documentation. So whichever way you look at it, okay, it all depends on the kind of project you're doing and the kind of client or customer you want. Both of these software development methodologies can greatly and significantly impact the project outcomes.